Here I am discussing few sums of the angle and lines related chapter. The first is in the adjoining figure, which are the pairs of adjacent angles and opposite angles. That means you have to give the pairs of angle. That means you have to give two angles for the question number 1 and two angles for the question number 2. That will be pair. The first of all I am want to show you here. You can write E to indicate this point anywhere, here, it doesn't matter. Then where you are writing this E later. Clear? Now this is the adjoining diagrams. You first find out the adjacent angle. What is the adjacent angle? So this angle and this angle is the adjacent angle here. Here this angle and this angle is the adjacent angle. Now I am writing the first angle. This angle will be told as angle BAE, angle BAE, and angle CAE, angle CAE is the adjacent angle. Again other adjacent angle, angle ACE and angle DCE. You can also write angle ECD also. Other adjacent angle also will be this one and this one, this one and this one, this one and this one. Why? The conditions for the adjacent angles are here fulfilled. Or there must be a common line, there must be a common vertex, here is it. Okay, and the opposite two side will be opposite to the common line. So these were the adjacent angles. Now what is opposite angles? So for opposite angles, that means vertically opposite angles, you can say here we will look at the point E. So this angle, angle AEB, angle for second one AEB, and angle DEC or CED, angle CED are opposite angles. Here this angles and this angle, for example angle BED, angle BED and angle AEC are opposite angles. Okay, similarly this angle, I have written two pairs. Here I am explaining next sum. Find the angle POQ. That means this angle POQ. That means you have to find out this angle, and the angle POR is given. Now you know these two angles are linear pair. So linear pair angles are equal to, that means 180 degree. That means angle POQ plus angle POR equal to 180 degree. You know angle POR, so we will put the value of POR. Angle POQ plus you know the angle value of the angle POR, that is 125 degree, right? It equal to 180 degree. Okay, therefore angle POQ is equal to, here is plus 125, you transfer it to the right side of the equal to, thereby changing the sign. It is very simple way. That means 180 degree plus 125 will become minus 125 here. Okay, so here is the 55 degree. Okay, so the value of this angle is 55 degree. I am explaining next term. Find the measure of angle AOB. That means you have to find the measure of angle AOB. Clear? That means you have to find angle this one total. Okay, now first of all we can find this angle. If you find this angle, you can find also this angle. I'm not going that if this is a linear angle, you you have to know all linear angle is equal to 180 degree. So I can straight write that angle A will be equal to linear angle, that it is equal to 180 degree, right, from the theorem. For the linear angle is always equal to 180 degree. Second, you can also find by finding this angle and this angle. We will not go in that way, right? You know, when dealing with the intersection of the two lines, the total angle at this point will be equal to 360 degree, right? Any two adjacent angle will be equal to 180 degree. That means this one and plus this one 180 degree, or this one plus this one 180 degree, this one 180 degree, right? So you can find this one by subtracting 132 from 180. You know this angle. Similarly, you can find this angle, because this is the straight angle, linear angle, by subtracting this value from 180 degree. So you will find this angle. You can add this one. So we will not go in that long way. We know that if this is the straight line and this is a point, then this angle is always 180 degree. Clear? In this sum, we will find the value of x. How? We know this straight line is a linear pair. That means the angle, this total angle, this one, this one, this one, and this one, if we add all this angle, that must be equal to 180 degree, right? So we can solve here. You just put all the magnitude of the angle by summing all of that. For example, we can write x plus 30 first angle plus x plus 20 plus x plus 10 and plus x equal to 180 degree, right? You open all x here. You write all x at once. X plus this one x plus this one x plus this one x, right? Plus 30, 20, 50, 10, 60, that is 60 degree, equal to 180 degree. X, 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 x means 1x. That means 1x, 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 1x. 4x, you can write it 4x, or there are 4x, then you can write 4x plus 60 equal to 180 degree. Therefore 4x equal to 180 plus 60 will be transferred here by minus 60. Okay, that is equal to 120. Therefore here I can write x equal to 4 is here multiplied, and if we transfer 4 to right side, it will be divide. It will divide 120. 120 by 4. 4 3 is 12. That means x equal to 30 degree. Now you can calculate all the angles. This will be 30 degree, this will be 60, this will be 50, this will be 30 plus 10 40, and this will be 30 degree. Okay, the diagram is not so accurate as per the value of the x, but you know, I have calculated according to the mathematical operation, right?